All right, listen, for real. This is gonna absolutely be a 5 minute-ish speed paint. I got no time, brethren. Today was a great day, though. I was hanging out with the family. It's my wife's birthday tomorrow, and I did a bit of work during the day too, which was good. Like I said, I got like this gig recently that I'm working on. It's kind of one of those last minute types of jigs, jobs, and yeah, I'm just doing it, just doing the thing. Um, So I felt good. I felt really good today. Today was a really fun day with the kiddos, but it's become very obvious that I didn't like look at the time. Um, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna hang out, do some more work. Then as I was putting my kids to bed, and as I was stepping away, I realized that I still haven't put a video out, and I'm like, uh-oh, is today the day that I'm gonna skip my daily vids? Is this the day in which I put out like another like short form video that's just a tutorial of like something I did a while ago? I did that like a week or so ago because I was feeling sick, and I was like, oh my god, I'm still in bed. So I just grabbed my iPad and just uploaded a quick edit. It was funny because I was using CapCut and it still had like, this was made with CapCut. I'm like, oh my god, amateur hour, bro. But I left it because it's just a good indication of kind of where I was at that moment in time. It's kind of cool to like look at these videos too as a bit of like miniature diaries and journal entries. Um, I saw this thing about when this person passed, they left like a journal that their family could read in case that happened. And I was like, dude, that's kind of tight. I like that. So I might start doing that as soon as possible. But I do like that there is a large video set of me talking and mentoring people on my YouTube. It goes like years that my family can go watch, get to know me, no matter where they are in their lives, no matter where I'm at. So I think that's cool. So I think I want to put together like some sort of diary though that could be more meaningful. Oh shoot, I'm running out of time. Bros, because I've been painting so much for like work and for these videos, like dude, I'm getting super precise. I was thinking I can sharpen these skills even further if I pop open a sketchbook and start to draw with just Sharpie again, like I used to when I first started trying to get good at art. I would just only draw in Sharpie with all the freaking time because Sharpie allows you to like try to think very tactically. And when you're thinking tactically, you're trying to make less mistakes. When you're trying to make less mistakes, you just get pretty good. You start to improve, and it's useful. It's a useful take. Okay, I got a minute and a half, and let me think about how I can add some value to this. But yeah, so I've just been carrying post-it notes in my Sharpie. I've been drawing wherever I'm at. One thing that I want to get really good at is environment arts. So I've been just drawing kind of whatever I see, and then also one thing I want to really get good at is just better anatomy in general. I was looking at these people who were doing traditional life drawing sketches, and I was like, oh my god, I need to get back into life drawing again. I used to do it like every day for like almost 2 years when I first started out, and then when I started working, I just kind of only studied anatomy when I needed to, you know. But even those 2 years of just doing that, like, were such a powerful foundational thing that like I still have the know-how and skill from just that short amount of time, which is pretty impressive. Oh shoot. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Let me let me add yeah, let's just what the oh no, Photoshop froze on me for a second. That didn't count. Yeah, I'm gonna give myself a few more seconds. Okay, time's ran out. Give myself a few more seconds. And yeah, we'll just call it here. A 5-minute little painting. Cool. Hands. Let's sharpen this just a little bit. Just a little scooch. I'm okay with this. All right, maybe like a 5 minute and a half. Man, the hands still. It's all right. Just gotta stop here. All right, well, this is all I got for today. I gotta get going. I'm gonna go hang out with my wife for a little bit before she goes to bed, and then I'm gonna stay up a little bit later to work. Because tomorrow I am gonna take the entire day off and just hang out with the family. I might still end up doing something at the very end of the day, but friends are gonna be over. I have a feeling I'm just gonna be chilling, so probably won't do anything until Monday. But either way, hope you guys had a great weekend. I will absolutely. Oh yeah, I am going to be teaching tomorrow. That's it. And then probably do the YouTube video before the day is over. That's probably the only two things I'm going to do. I just got class. I have to do my class. And then yeah, just take a break, bro. Just taking breaks. Anyway, hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. And yeah, I met my quota. Tight. See you guys in my next video.